shift the gears from devotion to action, from peace to passion. It's time for the most awaited and exciting part of our assembly, the inter-house quiz competition. Yes, today we will see a thrilling battle of knowledge in which as our talented students represent their proud houses, Iqbal House, Nazir House, Sultan House and Hamid Chara House. Tighten your seatbelts because we are starting the first round.
Hamid Chara House, your question is, which animal gives the birth to the mouth? Option A, snake. Option B, rabbit. Option C, frog. That's the right answer.
What is the force that pulls objects towards the earth? Gravitation. Right answer. अब सुल्तान हाउस के लिए क्वेश्चन है. What is the name of component of blood that fights infection? Gravitation.
Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India. The options are first, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai. Shabash, tick it. Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India? Options: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai. Answer? Answer we are sure है. And it's the right answer.
Wait second. And the option is frog, second dolphin, third bird. And the frog is right answer.
Let the knowledge meets curiosity. Let's roll. Hamid Chara House, your question is, which part of human body does not burn in fire? Option A, eyes. Option B, bones. Option C, teeth.
Human body doesn't change its size from birth. And the options are stomach, fingers, eyes. Eyes are the right answer.
Got 10 points. Sultan House has got 10 points. Nazir House has got 0 points. And Iqbal House has got 5 points.
Nanded.
Ladder is an incorrect answer. The question goes to Hamid Chara House. Which Kashmiri saint is known as Nun Rishi? Options are Ladad, Sheikh Nuruddin Nurani.
Thank you teachers for boosting the morale of students. Thank you participants and thank you experts. Thank you. Thank you principal.
हाउस कंपटीशन जो था क्विज कंपटीशन, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा लड़के भी थे, लेकिन यहाँ पे ये था कि एक हाउस का जहाँ पे वो स्टूडेंट थे. क्या मैम आपको लग रहा है कि वहाँ पे इनके लेवल बहुत अच्छे हैं, जिन्होंने फाइट किया था 9th और 8th स्टूडेंट के साथ?
Obviously, I am feeling nice क्योंकि छोटे बच्चे हैं और उन्होंने बड़े बच्चों के साथ compete किया. It speaks volumes that their teachers are so much interested and they are taking care of their students.
यस मैम, एब्सोल्युटली. एंड मैम मुझे ये बताइएगा कि नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या हमें ये लग रहा है कि ऐसे जो है कि इनके क्वेश्चन स्ट्रांग होंगे, जनरल नॉलेज क्वेश्चन स्ट्रांग होंगे, जो करंट अफेयर जो है इसमें ये स्टैंडर्ड पॉइंट्स होंगे अगर हम ऐसे ये वाले प्रोग्राम हम रखेंगे, क्विज कंपटीशन का प्रोग्राम रखेंगे?
It is a good start. First of all, I am so much thankful of Javed and Kumar जिन्होंने ये initiative start किया है because there is never a wrong time to do right things. I think कि हम आइंदा यही कोशिश करेंगे कि जो स्टैंडर्ड है ये अप हो जाए धीरे धीरे और हर एक इतना अच्छा करेंगे ताकि हर एक बच्चे में इंटरेस्ट आ जाएगी कि हम भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स में रहेंगे. आई एम सो मच थैंकफुल ऑफ जावेद कुमार एंड ऑल द 4 हाउस हेड जिन्होंने बच्चों को तैयार किया है और यहाँ आज उन्होंने ये क्विज प्रोग्राम किया.
Next time we will get more programs will be like that in order to strengthen the position of the students as well, and the teachers will realize the position with the passage of time how we have to motivate the students to inculcate such a culture among the students in order to come on the podium, in order to come in a seminar, symposium, education, and the rest of the program. Thank you. and
Inshallah, we will try our best
blessed to have been here with us. Thank you,
up
ma'am.
our standard. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam.